Hi, I'm Ganesh Kumar, Managing Director, Flexi Efficads Private Limited, Bangalore. We are into industrial automations, assembly lines, and robotics. In our line of business, designing is everything which contributes to our success. We are working with customers across various verticals like auto components, electronic industry, pharma, and other general industries. A vital tool to visualize our design ideas and thoughts is very important, and for that we trust SolidWorks. We've been using SolidWorks for the past more than 10 years and we are happy with it. Being it a complex design or detailing or the assembly drawings, we work every day with SolidWorks. And Conceptual being a trusted partner for SolidWorks, they're helping us in every way whenever we need them. They provide good training and the support, technical support whenever we stuck with some kind of issues. And I really appreciate Conceptual for that. Thank you.